everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create payment reasons. To do this, you're going to click on your service menu and under configuration, click on payment reasons. Now, please remember, to be able to access this, you need to have the user role access, super user. To create a new payment reason, you can click the bar. Enter in the reason, and you can either select credit, debit, or both, and this will provide that payment reason on these options when you are creating the payments. You can also limit to specific user roles. So this means only staff members with particular user roles has access to this payment reason. And then you can click Save. This will then show above the system types. So now when we go to a Guardian's details page and we click on the Payments tab, in the Payment Reason drop-down box, you will see your new payment reason. So this helps reporting and will display on the customer account statement for the Guardian and also your payments report. To disable payment reasons or to mark a payment reason inactive, because you no longer need the payment reason, you can click again back on your service menu and under your configuration, click on the payment reasons. If the payment reason has been used and has against a Guardian's record, you will not be able to delete the payment reason from the action column. You can simply click on the payment reason, untick the active box, and click Save. To view inactive records, you can simply tick Show Inactive Records and it will then display. You can mark this payment reason back in an active status whenever you feel necessary by clicking on the inactive record and again ticking the active box and clicking Save. If you do not require one of the system payment reasons, you can simply click Disable, click Yes, and it will now remove that system payment reason. And again, if you change your mind and now require that payment reason, you can simply click Enable. For further information on how to create payment reasons, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.